At age 16, Yamamoto entered the Imperial Japanese Academy. When he graduated in 1904, he was ranked 7th in his class. He was assigned to the cruiser Nissin, and while on board, he fought in the Battle of Tsushima and lost 2 fingers on his left hand. Yamamoto came to the United States to study the oil industry at Harvard University. He stayed for 2 years, and when he came back, he was promoted to captain and was given command of the cruiser Fiji. The next year, he started taking classes to learn how to fly a plane. He ended up liking it so much that he became the school's director, and he produced elite pilots for the Navy. Throughout Yamamoto's career, he opposed many of Japan's decisions, like going to war with the United States. But after thinking about the tri-pact with Germany and Italy, he made a choice that if they were going to attack, they would want the first strike. Yamamoto warned Premier Konoe that if the war went on for more than a year between them and the United States, then they wouldn't win the war. Yamamoto went against the Japanese traditional strategy and made one for a quick strike to cripple the Americans. He said this would increase the chance of winning and it could make the Americans negotiate for peace. On November 26th, 6 of Yamamoto's carriers sailed for Hawaii. Early before dawn, U.S. Navy vessels spotted an unidentified submarine. It was attacked and reported sunk by the destroyer Ward and a patrol plane. Then at 7 o'clock a.m., an operator at the Opana radar station saw the first wave, but thought that it wasn't enough planes to take action. It was passed off as a group of American planes that was scheduled to arrive that morning. To make sure that the Americans couldn't fight back, they attacked all the bases simultaneously. Because of this strategy, the Americans couldn't get all the planes in the air to intercept the attack. Out of the 90 ships at the dock, they went for the 8 battleships so they couldn't use the guns. This strategy was so good that within the first 30 minutes, the Japanese destroyed 180 aircrafts and killed over 3,400 Americans. The attack ended about 2 hours after it began. All the planes returned to the aircraft carriers. They only lost 29 planes, which is less than 10% of the total amount. Although this was a very successful attack, it wasn't complete. They didn't damage any of the aircraft carriers because they were not docked at the time.